Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. And guys, this is Ender L's tweet here. XRP price, checking the price in the morning. This is Antonio Banderas. I don't know what movie this is from, but this is exactly what it felt like when I woke up this morning and checked the XRP price. Of course, yesterday we were rallying, and today, right now, as of the recording of this video, we are at $1.09 per XRP. When I woke up, we were just breaching $1. So XRP trading at $1.09 right now, and it seems like it's been forever since we've seen XRP over $1. These price targets are coming very, very fast, and so I'm going to talk a little bit in this video about what we could expect next based on this rapid price movement, based on trader psychology and all that fun stuff. But first, let's revel in this a little bit. The Rock XRP here. It's on, XRP community, $1. Of course, XRP did hit that dollar mark this morning within the last half an hour, so a lot of people very excited here. This has been my Twitter feed all morning. XRP_Crow saying, oh my God, XRP is at $1 April 6th, 2021. We've got Ian Northings here, a little foreplay with XRP this morning, back in the number 4th spot. So that is something else to note here, guys. On crypto market cap right now, Bitcoin trading at about 58,700, Ethereum at 2127, Binance coin in number 3 almost at $400 at $393, and XRP $1.10 up 50.8% in the last 24 hours. Number 4th spot, back again, cementing its status with a market cap of $47.3 billion, whereas Tether is now sitting at $43 billion. So, these coins tend to move quite a bit, but it is nice to see XRP in that number 4 spot, especially when we get the retail FOMO kicking in and we get that crypto visibility being higher up there on the list. So this is all great. What else do we have here? We got STRAIGHTUPXRP here. Say what? And he retweets out Rand Nooner's tweet here. We will never see XRP over 50 cents again. This was Rand Nooner from January 7th. Yeah, Rand, I mean, you must have known this was going to happen. At some point, XRP was going to explode, and April 6th, 2021, clearly the date that it got above $1. So wanted to share that. There's also quite a bit going on, actually, with regards to Ripple Partners. I also saw this from Wrath of Kahneman. So Ripple Partner, First Abu Dhabi Bank, has spun off its payment business as a subsidiary, Magnati. So this coming out yesterday, First Abu Dhabi Bank, the FAB, has said that it has completed the transition of its existing payment business into a fully owned and operational subsidiary. The new brand name Magnati is built around energy, potential, and partnerships. We know these guys are Ripple enabled, and now their existing payments business, so payments specifically, are being wrapped into this new brand built around energy, potential, and partnerships. So the new platform will give clients the opportunity to grow their core businesses by monetizing data and using next generation technologies such as APIs, artificial intelligence, and machine learning capabilities to deliver better experiences and increased efficiency. In addition, the Magnati platform will provide improved capabilities to partner with fintechs on product and service innovations. And here's a quote from the statement. The establishment of Magnati as a growing, agile, and focused payments business comes at a time when the region's transition to digital payments is accelerating. By creating a standalone entity with its own strategy and a highly experienced management team, Magnati will be able to leverage its technology, data, and customer relationships, further unlocking value for the company. So Magnati, of course, going to be an important part for payments in this region of the world. So I got to thank Wrath of Kahneman. He does also link some other resources here. Noting down here that Accenture has actually also noted that name change, and we know Accenture is also a Ripple partner. So wanted to thank him for posting that. Another one that Wrath of Kahneman posted here, Ripple partner CIMB working with Ant Group for e-wallet TNG Digital. So more Ripple-related news coming out of the Philippines. In line with its goals of advancing financial inclusion and promoting of cashless transactions in the Philippines, CIMB Bank is strengthening its long-term strategic partnership with the leading local e-wallet service GCash, empowering their first micro-lending payment facility, GCredit, to more underserved Filipinos. CIMB Bank, the most awarded all-digital bank in the Philippines, is set to employ its credit underwriting and analytics expertise along with its funding capabilities for GCash customers at very attractive rates and with higher credit lines. Financial inclusion is first and foremost for this company. They say down here, Gcash has been at the forefront of financial inclusion in the Philippines for more years, said Gcash President and Chief Executive Officer Martha Sazon. She added G Credit as a service has helped extend over 8 billion PHP, which is the Filipino peso, to almost 1 million Filipinos nationwide in the year 2020. So that was clearly during the pandemic, and getting money to their people, of course, very, very important, especially in a struggling economy. So I wanted to thank Wrath of Kahneman again for posting this. He gives more information here. Sia says Gcash is also a Tranglo partner, and just the other day we talked about that Ripple investment in Tranglo. I'll link that video up here if you guys didn't catch it. So interesting connection, to say the least. And don't forget, guys, I am giving away 2 ledgers. I will be giving them away a little later. I did get a great response from that video yesterday. A lot of people entering the competition. Ledger, please. Well, we'll see who wins in just a sec. So the crypto market is booming, and it did hit $2 trillion. Right now it's hovering at about 1.98 trillion, and Bitcoin dominance is down to 55%. But this was brought to my attention by Michael at Val5Links. As reported by you today, the cumulative market cap of all cryptocurrencies has now surpassed 2 trillion. So the cryptocurrency industry has finally reached its long-sought goal of taking on banks. This is a big milestone, and I'll tell you why. As noted by Jim Bianco of Bianco Research, the total crypto market cap has surpassed the value of the S&P Composite 1500 Banks Index, which tracks the performance of publicly traded banking institutions in the United States. And so the cumulative market cap of all cryptocurrencies surpassed $2 trillion for the first time yesterday. And guys, yes, we are comparing it to all the American banks, the S&P Composite 1500 Banks Index, right up there, surpassing the value of American banks. Bianco attributes the milestone to altcoins, whose market share is now nearing its 2-year high amid an ongoing rally. The researcher believes that they have more room to run despite massive gains. Altcoins reached 70% of the universe in 2018. Mainly ETH. Then the bubble popped. This measure suggests altcoins are not overdone relative to Bitcoin, or ETH DeFi has room to grow. So this analyst suggesting that despite the growth that we've already seen for altcoins, there is still a lot more room to grow. And, most altcoins had seen their rally back in November and continued rallying throughout the first quarter of 2021. XRP obviously had that setback, the SEC lawsuit, but now it's looking as though XRP is catching up. And so how fast will XRP catch up? El Crypto King posts this. Prominent crypto analyst says XRP to reclaim top 3 spot after major bullish breakout. Well, we know XRP is already in number 4, so can it make number 3? Of course, it does have a ways to go right now, sitting at about $47.3 billion in market cap compared to Binance Coin's $59.3 million. So a widely followed analyst and trader is convinced that XRP will leapfrog 3 large cap digital assets en route to reclaiming its place as the 3rd largest cryptocurrency. This is coming from Credible Crypto on Twitter. He posts a nice chart here demonstrating that we did indeed take off after this resistance was broken. And he says basically, number 3 is still not out of the question. This means XRP gains going to continue to run for the foreseeable. Well, I guess we got to look at XRP now compared to the rest of the altcoin market, because now it has popped, and I know it used to be an undervalued coin. But now, what's the story compared to the rest of the altcoin market? So let me bring up Total 2 here real quick. And we've got the Total 2 market cap here clearly making new all-time highs. And I'm going to take the measurement from March 2020 when markets were collapsing. So that will be ground zero. And we will bring it up here to the top. Right now, the altcoin market up 2,152%. Don't know if you guys can see it there. Since the bottom that we saw back last year. How undervalued is XRP now? So 2152. And let's compare that to XRP. So if we bring up XRP here on the chart, and XRP coming down a little bit since that high of about $1.10 that we recently saw it at, XRP is actually up 802%. So still relatively undervalued compared to some coins that have already taken off and exploded. For example, Ethereum during this same time period, Ethereum is up close to the average of what the total altcoin market cap is up 2,299%. And some coins like ADA are up even more. This is Cardano, guys, on the daily, and Cardano is up over 6,000%, 6,423% to be exact. So, all things considered, XRP is still a relatively good deal. I know on this channel in the past, I've talked about other undervalued cryptocurrencies. I know the blockchain backer as well, if you guys follow him, does also talk about some undervalued cryptocurrencies that he has been eyeing. And so one of those cryptocurrencies on the list is BC BCH, that would be Bitcoin Cash. And where does Bitcoin Cash fall into all this? So this is the Bitcoin Cash chart, and we'll take it from the bottom there. Bitcoin Cash, guys, right now looking like a great deal, 387% off that March 2020 low, so still very, very undervalued, and even compared to XRP, even more undervalued than XRP is today. So these are all things we have to consider, guys, especially if you still have money on the side and are looking to put money into cryptocurrencies. Now is not the time to buy XRP. Nevertheless, it would be a great time for these exchanges to list XRP. XRP_Crow posting this, crypto exchanges, it's time to relist XRP. Slapping a big label here on his infographic. I mean, we could see that soon. There is a telephonic discovery today in the SEC and Ripple case. Meanwhile, we're also seeing this in the past 24 hours. Two Ripple ODL corridors based in near opposite ends of the world, Luxembourg and Australia, have shifted an astounding 72.6 million XRP. So this information was taken from Whale Alert, and we are seeing several large transactions of XRP on the XRPL. XRP Crypto Wolf also posted this. These two are just a Coinbase alone, but there were many others. 8.8 million XRP worth about $6.5 million US transferred from an unknown wallet to Coinbase, and that was 19 hours ago. And here's another one, guys, from about 11 hours ago. The same amount of XRP, actually this could even be the same transaction, but 11 hours ago that same amount was worth $7.9 million USD transferred from an unknown wallet to Coinbase. So despite the fact that Coinbase has delisted XRP, this is not to say that people, and I'm using the term very, very loosely, people, these are clearly institutional investors or mechanisms to start refunding exchanges full of XRP, because these are large, large quantities, let's not forget. 8.8, almost 8.9 million XRP shifted to Coinbase. I wonder whose wallet that is. These are very, very likely institutional transactions, and so I guess we got to keep an eye on that as well. I saw this from Stephen Bull Dieppe. Expect a pullback, a new floor will be established, then it will go much higher. So back to XRP and the price right now. Right now it's sitting at about $1.04. So we got to take it all and be very, very cautious with this rally. I mean, it's not going to continue up forever, guys, and I mean, we've witnessed this in the past where we've seen XRP spike, come back down, and you know, there's several days, if not weeks, where it's like, oh, is that it? Is that all we're going to see? And so we've got to expect this price to come back down at some point. I mean, this is a great start. We are breaking significant resistance, but what should we expect next? So I've got XRP zoomed out here, guys, on the daily. And let me put this Fibonacci from the top of the last bull market down to the bottom of the trough of the bear market. And you guys can see here we have now pierced this first Fibonacci level. So this is good news. This is the 0.236. So what could we expect next? Well, some might suggest that we could go up to this level, the $1.34.5, give or take $1.34.5. Let me put a price label there just to show you guys what I'm talking about. That would be the next price level that we reach if we are following this macro trend, okay? And I just put a blue line there to show you guys we're almost there. If we get up to this level, we could see a significant knockback, and I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, it might not happen. I wouldn't be surprised if we came back, retested this level here before shooting up to new highs. I mean, the market is getting heated, and by that I mean the XRP market specifically, and so more volume equals more traders, and that is going to equal more volatility. More people are going to be taking profits, and we are going to see wilder swings. Now, the wilder swings to the downside will be equal, or relatively equal, to the movement that we're going to see to the upside. So with those big upside swings, we're going to see big downside swings. This is just what I think is going to happen. So we could make our way up to $1.34.5 and come back down, retesting that 87, 88 cent level. Okay, that would be based on this Fibonacci structure, zoomed out, looking at the highs from the last bull run to the trough of the bear market. Conversely, guys, we can also see something like this. We can take the Fibonacci from that most recent pump for XRP right back down to December of 2020, and you guys can see here we have surpassed the 0.792. This next level up here is 1.618. So that would bring us around $1.17 for XRP, give or take. So let me just put a price target there, and let me just put a horizontal line there just to show you guys what I'm talking about. I personally don't think this is where we're going to see significant resistance. But we could come back and try to retest that recent high that we saw, which was that 80-cent level. I mean, it is a possibility. That has been significant resistance for quite a while. We could even go higher than this. These are just some possibilities of how this situation could play out. Because, I mean, we're not just going to go straight to 589 right away, okay? And by 589, I think you guys know what I mean. We're not going to see that new all-time high for XRP right away. We are going to see ebbs and flows. Profit takers are certainly going to be taking profits along the way. And so us as XRP hodlers, being in this space for a while, I know the OGs out there are used to hodling through volatility, but maybe some of you new guys entering the space relatively recently are not going to be familiar with these upswings and then huge knockbacks. So just be prepared. This is where we could see price go up to and knock back to, because the market is going to be retesting itself, and we are going to see a lot of volatility, I think, now that there is more interest in XRP, and now that more traders are trading XRP and getting really, really excited about the potential of seeing a new all-time high. Something else that I've been paying close attention to, guys, is Bitcoin dominance. And you guys can see here, Bitcoin dominance is at 55%. So it has gone below that 60% level, which was significant for quite some time. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart, BTC.D here on TradingView. And I've been eyeing this for a while now. And you can see a few videos ago, I did put a few circles on here denoting some zones that I was paying attention to, and this line here denoting the 57% level for Bitcoin dominance. And if you guys didn't catch that video, I'll link it up here. It was from a few days ago now. Let me clear all this out of the way, and let me put that line back on, though, actually. The 57% line, well, now we have clearly gone below that level, and you know, this is where we have to pay attention to altcoins. Bitcoin dominance was hovering in and around here for the longest time, a couple of months now, and then finally, altcoins took over the market, Bitcoin no longer holding the interest of most cryptocurrency traders. And so where is this dominance going to go? Well, historically, what we've seen in the past is Bitcoin dominance plummeting to as low as, and yes, this was back in early 2018 when the altcoin market was at its height, this was 35%. Right in around here was 35% Bitcoin dominance. Okay, and right now we're sitting at about 55%. So it gives you guys an idea of where Bitcoin went dominance-wise vis-a-vis altcoins in the last bull run, and where we could possibly see Bitcoin go in this bull run. Now, I don't know. There might be more dominance. There might be less dominance. I guess once we get a sense, and I feel like there's already more interest in altcoins, this is when we'll have an idea of where Bitcoin dominance will go. So it's just one more thing to pay attention to. And finally, guys, the Ledger Nano giveaway. So I am giving away 2 ledgers, and it is today's video where I'm going to be picking the winner. And so I've already preloaded the video in this random YouTube comment picker, and I'm going to pick a winner. So guys, the first winner is going to be for the Ledger Nano S. The Ledger Nano S, and the winner is Jason Kim. You are the winner of a Ledger Nano S, and the winner of the Ledger Nano X goes to DL Marino. Congratulations to both Jason Kim and DL Marino. You guys are the 2 lucky winners of the Ledger Nanos. Please get in touch with me. You guys can reach me obviously on Twitter. You can email me. I also do have a Facebook page if you guys want to reach me there. So I had fun doing this, guys. Thanks so much for bringing the channel up to 70,000 subscribers. I know we had a bit of a hiccup at the beginning, but we got it all sorted out. We finally got there. I finally given away these 2 Ledger Nanos. XRP price is above $1. Life is good, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.
Everybody buys surprise with my money. Everybody buys surprise. XRP. Everybody buys surprise. See it coming. Everybody gotta just wait and see. I get everybody buys surprise with my money. Everybody buys surprise. XRP. Everybody buys surprise. See it coming. Everybody gotta just wait and see. I'm faster, I'm more secure than you'll ever be. I'm faster, I'm cheap and my name is XRP. I'm faster, I'm more secure than you'll ever be. I'm faster, I'm cheap and my name is XRP. Everybody buys surprise with my money. Everybody buys surprise. XRP. Everybody buys surprise. See it coming. Everybody gotta just wait and see. I get everybody buys surprise with my money. Everybody buys surprise. XRP. Everybody buys surprise. See it coming. Everybody gotta just wait and see. I get everybody. everybody by surprise with my money. Everybody by surprise, XRP. Everybody by surprise, seen it coming. Everybody gotta just wait and see.